At sunrise, fresh potatoes are harvested from vast farms using modern automated equipment designed to protect quality. Soil is gently removed as harvested potatoes move onto conveyors, preparing them for transport. Fully loaded trucks carry freshly harvested potatoes toward the processing facility.
System report
At the factory, automated unloading systems carefully transfer potatoes onto stainless steel belt. Dry sorting conveyors remove stones and debris before washing begins.
Keep monitoring the debris count.
High-pressure water jets thoroughly clean the potatoes inside rotating washers. Advanced cameras scan every potato, detecting size and surface defects. Robotic systems automatically remove damaged or unsuitable potatoes. Potatoes enter abrasive peelers, where skins are removed with precision. Peeled potatoes move smoothly toward the slicing section. High-speed rotary blades slice potatoes into perfectly thin pieces. Fresh slices fall into chilled water to prevent oxidation. Starch is removed as slices swirl gently through bubbling rinse tanks. Vibrating screens remove excess water from the potato slices. Powerful air systems dry the slices before frying. Dried slices enter large automated fryers filled with hot oil. Inside the fryer, slices puff and turn golden as moisture evaporates. Freshly fried chips are lifted from the oil by conveyors. Air knives remove remaining surface oil for perfect texture. Cooling conveyors stabilize chip temperature before seasoning. Crispy chips tumble inside rotating seasoning drums. Automated sprayers evenly coat chips with flavor seasoning. Robotic systems precisely control flavor combinations. AI systems verify weight, seal quality, and barcode accuracy. Golden chips cascade, highlighting their crisp texture. Fully seasoned chips exit the drum, ready for packaging. Chips spread evenly across weighing conveyors. Multi-head weighers measure exact portions with high accuracy. Empty bags are gently opened using controlled air pressure. Measured portions drop cleanly into each bag. Heat sealers close bags securely to preserve freshness. Approved bags continue toward boxing stations. Sealed bags move through inspection lines. Defective packages are automatically removed. Robots place bags neatly into boxes. Boxes are sealed using precision tape applicators. Batch codes and production dates are printed for tracking. Sealed boxes move toward palletizing stations. Robotic arms stack cartons into organized pallets. Pallets are shrink-wrapped for stability during transport. Automated forklifts transport pallets to loading docks. Pallets are loaded into delivery trucks efficiently. Inside the truck, pallets are arranged for safe delivery. Trucks depart the facility, ready for nationwide distribution.